City Bacolod. Let's welcome the top 3 winners of last year's Masskara Festival Street Dance Arena Competition. From Barangay Sumag, Barangay Tamob, and the reigning champion. This is the Masskara Festival 2024 Grand Salubong!
Masskara Festival!
Today we finally celebrate day 1 of the Masskara Festival 2024, and tonight is the Grand Salubong. My name is Daidin Ka, and together with me is Mr. Kurt Soberano.
Thank you so much, partner. Tonight we have so much in store for each and every one of you. From the big performances brought to us by our Masskara Festival dancers to December Avenue kung sa karon we will be witnessing, and that's something we shouldn't miss out.
That is right, but tonight, an evening, a 2-week-long festival would not be possible if not for the leadership sa atong mga opisyales, headed of course by our dear Mayor Alvy Benitez. Palapakan po natin, of course, with the support by Vice Mayor Elsie Pamillaran and Congressman Greg Gasataya. Palapakan natin palihog.
Of course, partner, hindi man napauliin ato na very own councilors who are here with us tonight. We have, of course, Councilor Thady Saison, Councilor Israel Salanga, Councilor Vladimir Gonzalez, Councilor Jason Villarosa, Councilor Calao Pentevella, Councilor Renisito Novero, Councilor M. Ang, Councilor Celia Flor, Councilor Simple Distrito, Councilor, we are also joined by Cindy Rojas, partner, Councilor
Yes.
Lady Glass Palen, Councilor
Yes.
Dana Marie Brazo, and thank you so much sa tanan nato na councilors this Masskara Festival.
That is right. But of course, ang ini naman na festival would not be possible as well kung hindi tungkol sa pagplano, kag syempre, hatag sang bilog ni nga dedication, ang Bacolod Home Foundation Incorporated, headed of course by our festival chairperson, Mr. Georgie Ding Kong, and together with our Bacolod Home President, Ms. Katie Matiling, ang atong pag-iban ng mga cultural or festival directors, Mr. Custer Canigat and Mr. Jericho Rediel. Job well done already, you guys, and thank you so much.
Wow, memorized partner, but also we would also like to acknowledge them because they are on their way. We have Councilor Pao C.
Yes.
And Councilor Al Victor Espino.
Yes.
And not only sa atong mga councilors, we also have our friends from the media and our vloggers who will be covering this 2-week-long celebration diri sa syudad San Bacolod.
Alright, so we say hi and good evening to everyone, especially to you, yes, you, who are watching us live in our official pages. So keep on watching. Pero partner, sa mga tao nga yara diri subong sa BCGC, init hasta magulan asa sa inyong gabi, Bacolod City, let me hear you scream! We are ready to start the Masskara Festival, partner.
And of course, partner, to start everything, we have a special message brought to us by the chairperson of the Masskara Festival. Let's give it up for the one and only Mr. Georgie Ding Kong!
Hello. Mayong gabi mga kasimanwa. Okay. May gabi sa aton nga mga councilors. Ari di sila subong sa aton. Ari di si Councilor Calao Fuentebella. Mayong gabi si Councilor Israel. Ayan, si Councilor Tadi. Si Councilora ba yan? M. Ang akon maninay, si Celia Flor. Kag syempre, si Councilor, gid sulat ko na ni Simple Distrito. Si Vladimir Gonzalez, and of course si Jason, ang aton Villarosa, ang aton nga hunk sa City Council. Ano yung mga abiyan, mga kasimanwa, mayong gabi, tonight, we're very happy that we already prepared a really much bigger Masskara for you. Of course, with the guidance and full support of our mapisan with the mayor, si Mayor Alvy Benitez. In fairness to the City Council, full support ginil sila sa Masskara every year. Full attendance, so please attend all the awardees. Hindi natin kaya mag-isa. We prepared a lot of events for you. We invited a lot of bands like sina Bamboo, they're all coming here. I cannot announce, it will be announced in a few days. Nakita nyo naman sa music video natin, kinhimo na sang grupo ni Sara Geronimo and Matteo Gudicelli. And yes, and we invited Josh Collin of SB19, and Tiana Coucher from Los Angeles. She's flying back from LA also with her guest dancers from LA. Anyway, hindi na ako magpadugay. I just want to welcome you officially because tonight we are officially opening Masskara Festival 2024. Good evening sa inyo sa lahat.
Once again, madaming na salamat to our chairperson of the Masskara Festival, Mr. Georgie Dincon.
Thank you so much.
Of course, partner, we will not want to get the energy low. Let's keep it high and
Let's
dry.
go.
We have our next performance here tonight.
All right, so without further ado, everybody, let's enjoy the stunning display of talent and creativity from Bacolod Drag Queens, Drag Lords, Mardi Gras dancers, cosplay, and the Martians. Here we go. last place. And if you want to see more of our drag queens and drag lords, inyo ini silang makita sa Bacolod City Public Plaza. So, we will see you there.
Very own Electronica Divas. Once again, let's give it up for our very own Electronica Divas.
We have 10 more divas na magpapakitang gilas on October 26 here at the BCGC. Gani kung gusto niyo sila makita. If you also want to dance with them, because they do dance with the audiences. And not just on stage, not just on their floats, pati diri mismo yung sa ground, rain or shine, masaot na sila yung partner. See you on October 26. Ari sugata naton ang energy sa Masskara Festival 2024. Ina mas dako pa yun siya, partner. Dugay-dugay, especially after we hear the message and welcome of our dear pinakapalanggang mayor, Mayor Albi Benitez. So watch out because we will not be alone. May upod kitang banda tonight.
Yes, partner, December Avenue will be joining us here on stage.
That's
so
right.
stay tuned. No?
Alright, kapasalamat kita sa Ginoo that He gave us the best weather today. That's why kamo, nga ara kamo dra, we have given you a bigger stage, more space for everybody to stand, to sit. You bring their families, bring their friends, and join us in the celebration.
And that's not all, partner. We also have our Philippine National Police. They are all over the city of Bacolod, making sure that our Masskara Festival is safe and enjoyable.
That's right. Madamo nga salamat sa inyong tanan. Let us all shout one big Happy Masskara Festival. Get ready, everyone. Happy Masskara Festival. On our count in 3, 2, 1. In fairness, chuta yan na sila magdululungan. In fairness,
Yes,
yung
partner.
taktisan
Gamay
siya.
na lang, no? Though,
Gamay na lang.
almost. I think
Gamay na lang. yun.
we should unite.
We should unite. Okay, together with us, one more time. In 3, 2, 1. Happy Masskara Festival!
Alright. Wala na sila nahuya, partner.
Wala
Okay na sila.
Alright, so I think that means that we are ready to move forward. We have more talents tonight, everyone. We are not just featuring special guests coming all the way from Manila or wherever para nga magpasundayag diri sa inyo Bacolod. We are also very much proud of our local talents. Kaya hindi nga mga local talents, iban sa ila, nagahalin all the way to the barangay level.
Oh, partner, we are looking forward. Ginapangita takit sa tagsa ka barangay. Kung sino ba lang mababida naton sa aton nga barangay or sa Bacolod Public Plaza.
That's right. Ini sila either makanta, masaot, ano nga talento kay mayara na ang mga Bacolod noon. Ari, ang mga talento sa Bacolod sa Bida ng Barangay.